Hello friends, in this episode we will see the judiciary in Armenian constitution. Constitutional Court of Armenia. There are 9 judges. 5 judges among 9 are elected by National Assembly on the recommendation given by the Chairman of the National Assembly. 4 judges are appointed by President of Republic of Armenia in consultation with National Assembly. Now, what does a constitutional court do? Constitutional court looks into the various constitutional issues, disputes arising from referendum. Courts also confirms that the international treaties to be ratified by government are not violating the provisions of the Constitution of Armenia. Let's see what is further. Court of Cassation. This court considers only the law points in the cases which are being heard before it. If fundamental right is violated, the aggrieved person can approach this court. Then we have appellate courts, civil court of appeal, criminal court of appeal, administrative court of appeal. Let's see further. Trial courts. These are called courts of first instance. They are located in all the district and provinces. Then there are specialized courts, administrative court, bankruptcy court. Further, now there is a particular body called Supreme Judicial Council of Armenia. This council came into existence by way of a referendum held on 6th of December 2015. This body regulates the functioning of judiciary. This body is composed of 10 members. The term of each member is 5 years. 5 members are elected by General Assembly amongst the judges. 5 members are elected by National Assembly from the legal scholars and reputed lawyers. What is the work of Supreme Judicial Council of Armenia? To propose candidates for judgeship to the National Assembly for the cassation courts, to resolve transfer issues of judges, to propose judicial budget to government. So friends, we can see this Supreme Judicial Council of Armenia. It's in a way like an administrative acts which are done, appointment of judges, transfer of judges, plus hearing dispute of judges, plus the various courts which we have seen. Friends, in our next video, we will see some other features of the Armenian constitution. Thank you.